Hey, how's everyone doing? We're back at it here. Working on the GN, so let's see, we left off. Headers are all installed. Right now I'm in the process of throwing the intake on. But what I did get done so far was, I got the grounds on. I welded a stud into the bulkhead, or what's it called, the firewall. And put that on. I have that battery protector, so spray on it. I'm down there, and then there's one more in the back of the head over there. So all the grounds are done. I started replacing some vacuum hoses. I ordered a bunch of what was it, 1/4 inch, or the size down from 1/4 inch vacuum hose. I ordered a bunch of silicone. Actually, I got a whole kit of it at different sizes. So we got that done. Test fitting the valley pan gasket. Excuse me. I'm in the process of working on this. Just got done changing the PCV valve grommet. Believe it or not, if you ever go to do this and you got your intake off, it's easier to go in from the back side. Believe it or not, because this is the smaller of the... This side is actually smaller than this side. But somehow I was able to force it in, went in 1, 2, 3 that way. Trying like this, I was killing myself on it. Anyways, besides that, we're not going to run a PCV valve in this. I have to look up to see if I have to close this off, like put an old junky one back in here just to close it off, or do I stick a bolt or something in there? I still got to research that. What happens is when you're running breathers on your valve covers, I got these from G-Body Parts again. That, and there's another one in there too in the box. You don't need to run the PCV valve on this particular car. Anyways, so there we go. Before I put the intake on, I'm about to pull off this thermostat outlet. It's all beat up and pretty rough condition right here. We're going to take that off. I'm going to remove the thermostat. I'm going to put my new outlet on. I'm going to put this one on. I do have the 160 thermostat, but I'm not going to put this in. I'll put this in after the engine is broken in. I've tried breaking in engines before with a thermostat in them, and they run super hot. If not, like my buddy Louie's Mustang, the red one, we overheated it. So no thermostat while breaking in the engine, that's for damn sure. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and then we're going to test fit the intake on here and see what size gap there is on this thing. And matter of fact, we'll do that right now. Hold on. All right, I just fitted it on for now. I wanted to see how much of a gap we had. Let me take this out of the stand. There's really not much of a gap. So I'm going to use a bead of, what is it, the right stuff? I bought a tube of it. Here we go. I'm going to use this stuff right here. This Felpro kit, it actually did come with its own, gave me 2 tubes of black RTV. It also gave me these right here. Put them on the 2 walls, front and back. I'm not going to use these. I mean, these are supposed to be new and improved, and maybe not. I don't freaking know. I'm just not going to bother with those. So we're going to run this stuff here for now. So yeah, let me get this thermostat out. Let's get this new one on, and yeah, we'll go from there. Oh, one other thing too. Yeah, the Felpro kit even came with a, or maybe it didn't. I believe it's an O-ring gasket for the thing, but we'll see. All right then, so hold on, I'll be back. Yeah, I'm gonna start out by putting a little RTV around the water. Uh-oh, it's thundering out pretty good. A little thick on that one. Everyone has their own way of doing it. This is how I do it. There we go. All the right stuff. There we go. Get it on there. I never really had a problem with any of these Ford, Chevy, or whatever work leaking water. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Let's see. Let that set up a bit. Now let's do this. All right, let's build our China wall. See how she goes. Oh, it's starting to downpour now out there. It's hard to. Okay. Yeah, it's storming pretty good out here. Hoping for a lightning, but good. Alright, we'll get back to work here. We got the new one on. Pretty good. No thermostat. Oh yeah, look at this. Does that look like that was fun? Removing it from here? And I changed the thermostat on this car about 2 years ago. Unbelievable. That's what looks original anyways. So we got new and improved. All right, let me get back to, let's do this intake. All right, let's throw this on now. This actually says front right here, so you know which way to put it on. There you go. Stay. Close enough, I guess. There we go, just put a little bit more. All right, let's get this on here. All right, here we go. Alright, all that looks pretty good to me. Oh, wait a minute. Let's get these corners. I'm not too worried about this stuff at the moment. Alright, let's drop her down. Looks perfect. Got some good thunder there, huh? I never did look up how many foot-pounds to torque these to. Usually around, any other intake, usually around 30. We'll snug them up. Okay, let me get a socket on these. Alright, let's start these. Oop. A little bit tighter than I wanted it. Okay, let's throw the rest of the bolts in. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. There we go. Started. Let's go start the other side. There goes another. I probably should have chased the threads, cleaned them. A few of these want to be difficult. Alright. Alright, let's look up the torque specs on this, and we'll go from there. Alright, let's torque them down, 35 foot-pounds, which I know what that feels like without even using a torque wrench. There we go. do this from this side. All right, I believe that's all. All right, we're good. All right, let's get this, the top on, the cap here. Nice little gasket right here from Highway Stars. Let's see. Oops. Try this way. There we go. Try this. Let's see. Oh, we got another one here. And let's go hit the other side real quick. Yeah, we're getting there. I was going to put the valve covers on next, but I'm going to skip that for now. What I forgot to do was I bought a new fuel injection harness, an extended one, so you can run it through the bottom of the intake here and come out like, you know, like that. I forgot to do it. And to me, it looks like I got a little bit more room with the valve covers off, which I really don't think it makes a difference. But just for the hell of it, we'll leave them off. There we go. Can't see that one. Oh. How's that been going? I've been hitting up the bolts. There we go. Nicey nice. We're gonna black her out. And that's that side. And here we go. Oh, probably better if the light was facing something like this. There you go. My buddies couldn't see what's going on here. Oh, there we go. Looks good to me. Alright, so we're going to end the video here. We got it all nice and tidied up. It's looking good. Next video is going to be fuel injection harness. It just plugs in. We got to route that. Valve covers on. See what it goes after that. Probably throttle body. And yeah, then it's all the front brackets and everything. So we're almost there, a little at a time. And yeah, so until the next video, see you guys later. Bye-bye.